Solving BlockMatrix on paper. Let's solve stage 170 together. Quantity refers to the number of blocks, and max represents the size of the largest block cluster. All right, let's begin. It looks like I marked the O's without much thought. Let's check why I filled them this way. Looking at the fourth row, since the quantity is 1 and max is 5, we fill all the empty spaces with O. In the first column, the quantity is 2 and max is 3. So there are possible ways to form 3 connected blocks like this. The fifth column is the same as the first one. Looking at the third row, the quantity is 3 and max is 1. So there must be 3 separate blocks. That's why I filled the third cell with O. Now, let's see where the X's should go. In the first and fifth columns, the empty cells must separate 2 block clusters. So we place X there. Looking at the first and fifth rows, since the quantity is 2 and the max is 2, the empty cell in the third column must be filled with X. Looking at the third row again, the quantity is 3 and max is 1. So we fill the empty spaces with X. Now, let's determine the rest of the cells. In the third column, the quantity is 1 and max is 3. So, the remaining empty spaces must be filled with O. In the second row, the quantity is 1 and max is 1. And since 1 O is already placed, we can fill the remaining spaces with X. Let's check the second and fourth columns. The quantity is 2 and the max is also 2. Therefore, all the remaining empty cells should be filled with O. What do you think? It's coming together quite logically, right? Download BlockMatrix and have fun solving puzzles like this yourself.